Water conditions in very huge class one. Convey my regards to him.
Thank you, sir. Definitely.
Today itself you must convey.
Yes, sir. Right now I will convey, sir.
You must convey a good friend of
He is the project head, sir.
కొంచెం వెనక్కి
Yes, follow them. Viewpoint and country.
మేడం
Here, let's go there, but यहाँ थोड़ा सी ये तरफ को फोटो लेना पड़ेगा.
అలాగే
కొంచెం వెనుక్కున్నాను దూరంగా ఉంది
There are 48 gates across the street. So these goods, what will be communicated? No, please tell me, which is this year, this one? No, what is on the other side? Upper Kappa. And this area will be submerged, right? No, you are increasing the height of this now? Design for the this is sufficient. Supposing the water comes up to the brim, in the sense the top, I think many areas will submerge. Adjacent to the hills, there are many villages are there. So those villages are, as per the R&R Act, will be rehabilitated. So this one dam starts from here, this one, and right up to that corner, right?
But this dam is only temporary, sir. The main dam we have to construct here.
Where it? This is downstream, is it?
Behind, no, sir. Behind this hill. There it is activities coming, sir. That was so that behind this hill will come, sir.
Which is the diaphragm wall?
The diaphragm is also behind this hill, sir. River on river bed it is there.
Where it?
Here in this
Outside, 100 meters down.
Actually,
No, please tell me.
River diverted. Yes, sir.
Actually, main river goes like that. No, please tell me. There was one earlier diaphragm wall built. It was not okay. We are not going to politics, right? And you have built a new diaphragm wall, is that? Where is it?
This is center of the line. Below the ground, sir. From ground level to rock wherever the reaches. 90 meters that it is inside the deep. Inside.
How deep was it?
The average depth is 45 meters, sir. The maximum depth there some meters, sir, 98 meters. The shallow depth is 20 meters. So on an average, there are 365 panels in the gate. The average depth is 45. Wherever the rock comes, you have to take the wall up to the rock.
That is the main river, is it? That is the main river. This is a diverted one, is
This
it?
is a man-made, almost man-made.
It is a diverted area.
So, because why you are diverted? Here is entirely sand bed. We cannot excavate, we cannot get the rock extracted. So this is the hill, sir. These are the two hills we made use of. We got the rock at
That is a hill, this is a hill. Now, how deep it is here?
here it is 8 meters deep, sir. Now water level is around 7 meters deep, sir.
7 meters.
Very good. So here it is around 6 meters.
What is that road?
This is only temporary road, sir. So we have to transport the material. This is the hill, sir. That is the hill where we are getting the rock. The rock is transported to that side, sir. With the rock only we will construct the dam. The transportation means in the summer season, we will transport the materials and we will stack it there, sir. During rainy season, that stack will be used, sir.
But that road is strong enough, is it?
Strong enough to communicate it, sir. After this entire process is over, we will remove that road, sir. The entire construction is over, we will remove that road.
Now, submergence part is already over.
Yes,
Now
sir.
there is no further submergence.
So further, we are divided into 2 pages, sir. Actually, the entire dam has to be constructed up to an elevation of 45.72. There is a lot of R&R activities emergency there. At a time, you cannot remove all those things. So 41.15 level, we are storing, sir, in the season, coming seasons. Till then, we are planning to compensate to the lands and R&R.
Before you built it, it was all agricultural land, is it?
Yes, sir. This is entire. This is also. It is a village is there, sir. Ramayapeta, and some village agriculture. Agriculture. Yes.
Agriculture plus human habitation.
Wherever the hills are there, sir, some fishing activity and something. So entire foreshore is abutting the hills only.
Even now fishing activity must be going on.
Yes, sir. That we already said. Yes, sir.
Because I am a fish eater, that's why I am telling you.
Yes, sir. Those boats are coming, sir. Here also they come and do the fishing activity is very important.
Here, is it?
50,000 cubics water. High. 50 lakh. 50 lakh
This dam is designed.
See, I went to that place, Sardar Patel Sardar Sarovar. No? There, what they have done, they have built very huge, very huge. I wish somebody, if you go and see that. They have brought fish, small fish, and they have
Used
left
it
it.
for
And now it is a brisk activity. Free of cost, they are all fishing.
aquaculture.
Villagers.
So,
yes.
sir.
In this dam, we
It is not culture actually. It is natural.
Natural.
And no, nothing. Everything, whatever they remove, they will take.
Sir.
Lot of employment
Yes, sir.
and food too.
we have constructed that structure, sir. That is the fish pass we call, sir. The fish travel from here to there, foreshore to here, to that pass.
Oh,
The dam is there, the fish cannot travel because of the high
oh,
So that is, baffles are created in between. So the velocity of the water will be reduced during flood also. So fish travel from that part to this part, and so they are connected to.
oh, there is it?
Yeah,
There.
there.
But it is a natural fish, is it? Natural.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Natural fish. Lat-
Sir, come.
Clear.
Come. Come. Only, hang on. No, sir, you come.
Okay, sir.
You must convey regards. Definitely. Come.